Okay, so we are going to do the back portion, get that prepared so it can be chilling while we work on the man's body. So I've got 6-inch round cakes here. I've got 4 of them. I might only use 3 for just in case. And what I want to do is just cut a little of the bottom off. Let me put it on the board so I don't cut the counter. Just about like that. My next one, pop it on top. It's going to be like, I don't know, like it's some kind of cylinder tank kind of thing. Like I said, I don't understand this whole thing, so I figure anything goes. Right? Right. Okay, so you get the idea. This is going to be like this. Let me turn the cake. So this will be back here. And it looks like that's pretty much going to be it. I would like to use this last one and just round it a bit. So I'll still need to cut the bottom off. And then I am going to cut a lot of this round. Okay, I'll cut it in a little bit knowing that it would be a little big, a little long for the cake, I should say. But I'll keep this part out a little more. Okay, move all this out of the way. I need to get this over onto the corner of the board, like so. And I'm going to skewer these together just for kicks. Okay, now I need to cut the board to the same size as the cake. And what's going to be the easiest way to cut this part off first? So over the trash can I go. Whoops, it slid on me. Let me get a little buttercream under it so it doesn't move on me. Go on it way under there. Okay. Scissors for these corner bits, and then I can ice it, pop it in the freezer or refrigerator, and then cover it with fondant. Again, easier to place it on a larger board to ice it. Okay, so icing, we shall go. Hello. All right, so the fun begins. Okay, I've told you how I did this. We are going to go ahead and pop it in here and see how the height is. That's good. There's the neck there too. That's good. He has a neck. That's always good, right? So now I have rice cereal treats here, and I'm going to go ahead and take some of these. So I'll go around this way, and let me just scrunch it down and then wrap it around for the neck. And this will help it keep it in one position rather than turning on me. And I can also either use modeling chocolate, or I could use some regular chocolate to, secure it from moving. Okay, now for the rest of these, I need to make the back of his head. So I will use a little shortening on the back here to get this to stick. And what I want to do is just start to scrunch this stuff up. Just kind of go like this right over this seam, hold on to the front. And this whole thing is going to end up being covered with fondant. Isn't he sexy? All right, so let me think here, because he's going to have a hat on, so I don't have to worry too much about that part. Let's get kind of some of these sides. I'm probably going to need some kind of chocolate to get this to stay. Just going to heat it. This is coating chocolate right here. I'm just going to heat this up so that I can kind of dip some of these in there and stick it to it, because see how loose that is? It's just going to come off. I'll try to keep going while it's on though. And scrunch all this up. And I think at that point we'll wait for the chocolate.